Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss three important topics. The first one will be regarding fluidity list at TCS. What exactly is this term, fluidity list? We will discuss that in detail. Second, we will discuss about that one of India's biggest company is entering the AI market and the cloud market. What is the name of the company and what exactly it is planning to do? We will discuss that as well. And at the end, we will also discuss be in office for 9 plus hours. Otherwise, you might lose some of your letters and increments. Without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one thing that you might ask me is that why all are coming into cloud and AI space? Well, the most important and the most richest person in India, particularly Mr. Mukesh Ambani, recently in the annual general meeting mentioned that they are partnering with Google and Meta and they are planning to bring Google Cloud to India. Okay, and there is one more important thing, that is Meta will be building a sovereign enterprise ready AI platform for business and government in India in partnership with Reliance Industries Limited. Yes, Reliance AI and Reliance business partner companies, which is enterprise ready AI platforms, they are building for government as well as businesses. So this is the latest update that is coming from Reliance's side. The next important thing is that, guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've already not done that, and please share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry so that it will be beneficial for them. Let us come to the important topic, right? You know that a lot of employees are facing a lot of difficulties right now in the IT, right? It can be layoffs, it can be no salary hike, it can be rising inflation, it can be due to some other mental harassments or any kind of mental issues that they're facing due to working 15 or 20 hours every day. Okay, the next important thing is that they are facing a lot of issues, and out of them is one of the fluidity list. What exactly is fluidity list? Okay, so basically it is an internal company document where it is identified that employees were considered potential for reallocation or termination, typically due to the mismatch between skills and project needs, high cost, or current project staffing levels. So these are all of the things that are happening in TCS, particularly as per the management, what it is saying. What exactly is happening in the layoff letter to all the employees? They mentioned that there was a mismatch between skills. Okay, second important thing, the projects are not at the all-time high, they are at an all-time low right now because lot of issues are going on because of US and India trade war, right? That is the second reason. High cost, definitely after COVID. Okay, in IT, lot of companies were hiring people on a higher salary band, so that is the reason, again, high cost also, right? Third is like a lot of people sitting on bench, and that is again causing a issue. Okay, so people who are having less salary, they can put two people can be put with the less salary for the same project, and the person who was having a bigger salary, that can be removed. So this is the some kind of thing that is happening in the IT industry, right? Next important thing is that beware, TCS managers are preparing fluidity list based on how much they like a person. If you don't have good relationship with your supervisor, start buttering them today itself. Yes, this is one of the advice that is given by one of the colleagues who is working at that particular company, right? Next important thing is that people who are around 6 to 7 thousand employees who are on notice, okay, and who resigned from the company, they were released as soon as possible on spot. So this is again big reason to worry, because on the other hand, if you are resigning right now, if you have an offer and the offer is after like 90 days joining, right? 90 days, after 90 days you will be joining that company, and the company is directly releasing you now today itself. What you will do for the remaining 30, 40, 50, 60, or even 90 days, what you will be doing, right? So that is again a major concern, a major worry. Next important thing is regarding the number of hours. Okay, so a lot of people, what they do is they go to the office in the morning, they are staying somewhere near in the office location. They go to office in the morning, swipe the ID card, and go in the evening also. So what is happening? The HR, okay, is emailing the associates that if your time spent at the company is between 0 to 2 hours, you will not be eligible for appraisals, you will not be eligible for the wings 1 wings 2 examinations. Okay, you will not get any kind of promotions from digital to innovator or ninja to digital. So that will not happen if you are not completing or maintaining 9 hours at office. Earlier it was 4 hours, then they have now made it around 9 hours. So this is why a lot of people are facing a lot of issues, right? Next important thing is that this is to formally inform you that you have been released from your current assignment, that is the current project. We actively seek a assignment at earliest by ongoing with relevant stakeholders, that is the RMG and the SPOC, okay, single point of contact for that particular role or that particular location. Okay, so this happened with this guy that he was left to he was removed from the project. Okay, so the guy mentioned that I'm a C3A and my package is below 15 lakhs. Okay, I was serving in TNM billable project. I never got a single C band also till now. I was not even a single day on a bench in my entire TCS career. My client gave me good feedback and I received multiple appreciations. Okay, I received a couple of stars on the of the month in the past few months. Right, from the past 6 years, I was working at TCS. I only took around 4 leaves. Still, they made me part of the fluidity list and pulled me from the project to the bench. Why? This is not even a bigger package, right? Other people who might have switched from other company, they are coming in this company, and if they are getting on the fluidity list, then it is a different story, right? But here, this person is working for TCS, is very obedient, is very dedicated to the company, not taking leaves, working efficiently. The client is basically praising him or her. So that guy is not earning very much amount, right? If you consider 6 years average salary, 6 3 is 18, around 18 20 lakh is the average salary for 6 years experienced guy, right? But still, he's getting less than that. Still, on top of that, he was removed from the project and put on bench. So this is the big reason to worry, I feel, for people who are having experience between 5 years to 10 years or 5 years to 15 years. This is actually a reason to worry. For freshers, it is not that difficult because they are not having high packages, right? For people who are having high packages, it is a different story altogether. Okay, with this, I would like to know what exactly is happening in different companies, not only TCS. I know that a lot of my audience is working at TCS and Infosys and Wipro, but I want to ask other small scale or medium scale companies also what exactly is happening in your companies. Do you are having any projects, or is there any layoff kind of thing situation that is happening, no projects, or there is a low budget of the client, and that is the reason you might have to compensate that your salary will be decreased. Look, what exactly is the situation in your company? Do let us know in the comment section. Okay, with this, I would like to end our today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. Thank you and have a great day.